Para kanino ka bumabangon? I think that's one of the most important things we need to sit down with ourselves. What is your biggest why? Or what is your why? Akala ng mga tao that they need to have a really big goal, a really big why for their life to make sense. And normal yun kasi syempre, we want our lives to be bigger than what we have. But I do believe you don't have to pressure what answer you cannot get for you. Because I believe answers will take time. It takes time for you to have that big reason for you to wake up every single day. But you can look for the reasons that makes you feel purposeful. That could be your family. That could be a better you next year. That could be a person you're gonna be proud of next year. That could be doing it for the people who believe in you. Or maybe because you have a certain inspiration. Itong mga inspirasyon na to makes life worth living. It doesn't have to be big for your life to feel big. It just has to feel big for you, whatever your state in your life is. Para kanino ka bumabangon? Pwede para sa simpleng bagay. Basta importante sa'yo.